Again, we are here at AH Helmets. Okay, so this is Motobox 47 liters, which could accommodate two helmets, but since we have the spoiler in our helmets, we will not be able to do that. Yeah, this is how it looks like. It has an LED light over here. So the box looks quite good, quite spacious too. You can see, and you have a cushion here as well. Yeah, the cushion. So you can push this button, open it. We want to put a helmet and short front, please. ये वो स्टैंड है. Close it. Actually, you can accommodate two of these if they don't have spoiler. Well, these have spoilers, so you can't do that. So these are the spoilers which I'm talking about. This is how it looks like from side. You know what? These LED lights, they look very good on the ride. This top box has LED and sponge backrest, which makes the pillion ride more comfortable. This model is called TMA898, which is available in black color and could be used for any motorcycle make. And lastly, you also get the base fiber plate along with the top box. Okay guys, let me open up and show you again the capacity of the top box, which is 47 liters. Okay, there you go. Now you can see both the helmets here. Now these helmets, they don't have spoilers, so they could be accommodated easily. Alright, this is Shirish's world. Here you can see, when I say no spoilers, you can see there's no spoilers over here. It's just a plain one, and they could be easily fitted. For those who don't have those spoilers, don't have to worry. For those like for me, and I have a helmet on both. I have both the helmets actually, with spoiler, without spoilers. But if you have spoilers, then you can't accommodate both the helmet at once. All right. Or else, you know what you can do, you can just put one helmet, you can put your jacket or anything you would want to. I mean, there's so many things which during travel you carry, right? You can put your bag or your jacket, okay, or water bottle. All right.